This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Check and update iOS so Bluetooth stacks are current, then restart both devices to clear temporary glitches. Once done, make sure the accessory is charged above 20% because low power can introduce latency. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset pairing state. If you use airplane mode, disable it first. These immediate actions remove common software and power causes, so you can move to deeper fixes with a clean baseline. You should forget the accessory in settings and repair it to reset profiles and codecs. This forces negotiation for the best available connection. Then, minimize interference. Move away from other Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi routers or disable nearby devices within 10 meters to reduce packet collisions. If your accessory supports low latency modes, aptX or La Audio, select that profile. Otherwise, check the accessory app for a gaming or low latency toggle. These steps change how audio data is encoded and transmitted, directly cutting delay. You finish by updating accessory firmware and any companion apps because manufacturers release fixes for latency. If issues persist, reset network settings on your iPhone. This clears Bluetooth caches, but remember to back up Wi-Fi passwords first. Once done, test the accessory with a different iPhone to determine whether the problem is the phone or the peripheral. If still failing, contact the accessory maker. Otherwise, restore settings gradually. A final troubleshooting tip: try wired audio briefly to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.